Grand Rising, on this beautiful day that she has granted to us and called me forth to speak to you in this beautiful crown that has been sitting around calling me to adorn myself and have a grand rising with you today in this peace that has been created on the land called Mother Africa. The shells symbolize fertility, prosperity, and opulence. And that be who I be, Mother, Queen, Goddess, Opulence, Ra Enter, just coming to you today to send you love from my heart to your heart, peace and prosperity in your thoughts, healing in your words and your actions, visions of magic for the future. Welcoming you into the Goddess Temple Palace to spend some time with me for a spell or two to learn how to earn, how to open up to your greatest selves. Yes, we have many aspects of ourselves. To learn who we are is why we have come. I thank you for your energies in these few moments and ask you to like, subscribe to all of my channels. YouTube channel, Goddess Temple Palace. Here on Instagram, and Creations of Opulence on Facebook. May you dream the dreams that you see come true. So watch what you think and what you do. Until we meet again, beloveds, tribe of opulence, family and friends, we take care of you. Until then, Namaste, Hotepu. You are worthy of the best, accept no less. You define what is the best. So get ready to pass the test for your best grand rising.